Hello everyone, greetings from the Oregon coast. I am on my drive from Astoria down to Brookings on the way to California, and I am stopping at my favorite places on the Oregon coast in filming and creating nature connection experiences, meditation videos. Isn't this a magical place? This is Heceta Lighthouse State Park, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of a clip as a teaser for the longer 20-minute video of nature connection, and there's a two-part series in this experience, which is this hike from the Heceta Lighthouse to Hobbit Beach. It's called the Hobbit Trail. So I invite you to join me for the next few minutes as you get a summary of this experience, but look for the two 20-minute YouTube experiences to go a little bit deeper into uncovering your own wild and your own magical nature here on the Oregon coast. And thank you for following along. Remember to like this, a comment, to share with all your friends. It goes a long way to allowing more people to have access to this grounding nature. The aspects of learning how to ground in nature is what will move humanity forward. And most of all, just enjoy the beauty of this scenery in one of my favorite places on the Oregon coast.